Hello everyone! In today's video, I will provide a step-by-step guide on how to make purchases on yeezy.com using PayPal, ensuring a smooth and secure transaction process. So first, visit yeezy.com and browse through the available products. And once you have selected your desired items, add them to your shopping cart by clicking on the Add to Cart button. After adding all desired items to your cart, click on the Checkout button and you will be prompted to review your order details, including the items selected and their respective prices. So in the payment section, select PayPal as your preferred payment method. This will redirect you to the PayPal login page. Enter your PayPal credentials to log in. Review the payment details, including the total amount and the recipient. Once confirmed, authorize the payment. Now, after completing the payment, you will receive a confirmation email from both PayPal and yeezy.com detailing your purchase and payment information. Now, by following these steps, you have successfully made a purchase on yeezy.com using PayPal. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.